Unit 1's going to be Frank Zebra Queen 1675.
I didn't see the fucking car.
Copy, definitely.
Hey.
Just make sure it's in park, my
Yeah,
man.
I'm sorry. I didn't, cause I was going to get my medicine. I go to the clinic on at 6 in the morning in the fog and everything. Oh my God.
I got you.
And I had the dog. I'm so sorry, man.
It's all right, my man. You okay?
Yeah.
You're a little busted.
Yeah, I hit the, well, you know, I hit you head on going, what, 30, 35?
Yeah, I tried to signal in time, but you came a little too quick for me to be able to.
I'm part of the clinic on 11th Avenue, and I go in on Thursday mornings.
Okay. And Make sure your dog doesn't hop out, my man, all right? Do you want a medic for your mouth?
I don't know. I don't, like, I just feel like I just got hit, like, you know what I mean? I don't feel
We'll have one just come take a look at it, all right? Hang tight for me for 1 second. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
Looking up, and I was thinking, man, it's so foggy out. And then I look back down, and all of a sudden I see the lights in the fog, and I was thinking, what are those police lights? And then, bam, it was too late. I was make sure it's all done like that. Yeah. Are you okay, Frank? Are you okay, baby? You get right here. Yeah, his name's Frankenstein. He's 9 years old, and I just took him to the vet this week and paid $350 because he wasn't eating, and they said he just had the flu. And but now he was just in a car accident, and now I don't know. They wanted to X-ray him.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what should I do? Should I get this out of the way, or?
Well, give us just a minute.
Yeah.
My sergeant might want to snap some pictures. I'm not sure, to be honest with you. Let's see. Hopefully I didn't knock all of my energy drink out. I'll go see. Popped his head. Okay. He seems normal to me, to be honest with you. A little rattled from the crash, but I didn't have the flares out at the time. Wouldn't have been
But the lights
idea,
are on.
But the lights were on, and there's this.
And there's a road closure sign back there.
And like, granted, some people were going faster than they should have, but I don't know, 20 to 30 cars successfully did this prior to.
Yeah, I don't know why these lights are out. And this whole little stretch of, I mean, I was having the same problem.
Yeah. As soon as he got out, he's like, I'm so sorry.
When you're looking down and got hit, like, what the fuck?
No, I mean, but like, I was reading, like, just Power DMS.
Right back to you, bud.
And I seen him coming just in time. Because what I'd been doing is I had my front and rear on, and anytime it seemed like someone was coming too quick, I'd change the pattern and like tap the air horn. They all like slow, and then he was coming. Which I really don't think he was flying. It's just too foggy. He's coming. I threw the overhead on and then just got smacked. So it wasn't awesome.
Everything.
Man, it's getting worse.
Huh?
It's getting worse.
Well, that's. I feel like the flares are making it worse with the smoke. You know what I mean?
You know,
like, because over there's none, and I feel like
that's a good point. Because I mean, they're getting put out by the rain.
Yeah.
Like smoldering, sort of.
Yeah.
That's a good.
So I hope Ingalls isn't. I said I hope Ingalls isn't putting.
Yeah, I know he said when he put flares, like he walked on down. He's like, you can't even see him.
Oh, okay.
So you might have seen like seen futility in that, I suppose.
However,
I,
you know what I'm saying?
don't know.
Whatever the case may be.
Arguably at this point, yeah, they do seem to be worsening. What I was doing was working. It felt a little hairy, to be honest. Like, cause like people were like riding up, but most people would drop their speed just because of this.
Right.
And this guy just didn't, and that kind of visibility wasn't going to allow an obstruction in the roadway.
What is this person? What's he doing?
So he's like, I'm not exactly sure who he's with, but he's got like that like call before you dig number on the back.
Oh, yeah.
He's like, doesn't get like you guys like knock out a utility or something? I'm like, no, I think it all stayed right here. He's like, because I got a call here for like a water main. And I was like, I think that's that. And he's like,
I never did.
he's like, never mind.
Fog is really bad today.
Oh, this is smart.
But I was telling them, like, I have 4 years.
Did he give you photo ID when that was the only other thing? It was just double
Yeah,
checking
yeah.
everything. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
I just making sure his photo lined up. Everything lined up with him giving his name and saying
Yeah,
it's his
yeah.
dad's car or whatever.
Yeah, no,
He actually got his old one and his
fog
new
and
one.
everything.
Road at the top
Try
again for
really
you.
good.
2 at 10 a.m.
Thank you. Have a great day, man.
All right. You guys need anything? You good?
No, we're good.
No, we're good. Thank you.